Welcome to Yagentz. Here is how you can add your property for sale on our platform in a simple step-by-step process. Start by clicking Add Property, then choose the For Sale option. Begin by entering your full property address. Select your state, choose your city and county, and enter the zip code. Confirm your location details and enter your property price. Upload your property photos. Drag and drop to rearrange them. The first photo will appear as your main listing image. You can upload up to 100 photos. Next, complete the additional information section. Select your property type, enter the number of bedrooms, full bathrooms and half bathrooms. Add the square footage, year built, land area size type, land area, HOA fees, basement size, garage count and garage size. Also choose whether your property is vacant or occupied and list any rental restrictions. Write your property description. Highlight upgrades, features and anything unique that helps your listing stand out. If you are an agent, select Yes. If not, leave it set to No. You can choose to enable or disable open house information. Scroll through and select all applicable amenities. This includes appliances, basement type, floor coverings, rooms, indoor features, cooling and heating systems, heating fuel, building amenities, architectural style, exterior type, outdoor amenities, parking, roof type, view and many more options. You can add a virtual tour link. If you want to include floor plans, enable the feature, enter room and bathroom details, upload the floor image and add descriptions. You can add multiple floors. Upload any supporting documents such as reports or disclosures. You can upload up to 10 documents. After completing all fields, click Review Property to confirm all your information. When you are ready to publish your listing, click Submit Listing. At this point you will be asked to log in or create your account. Once you log in, your property will be submitted and published on Yagentz for buyers to view and contact you directly. Listing your property on Yagentz is fast and simple. Visit yagentz.com to get started today.